Action verbs. Steam. Cook food using hot vapor. Steam the vegetables to keep them soft. Steam the dumplings for 10 minutes. Fry. Cook food in hot oil. Fry the eggs until golden. Fry the snacks on medium heat. Sauté. Lightly fry with little oil. Sauté the onions until soft. Sauté vegetables on low heat. Bake. Cook food using oven heat. Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake cookies until lightly brown. Roast. Prepare food with dry heat. Roast the peanuts for snacks. Roast the chicken evenly. Grill. Cook food on direct heat. We grill fish on Sunday. Grill the vegetables lightly. Toast. Heat until brown and crisp. Toast the bread slices. Toast the buns before serving. Melt. Make liquefied by heat. Melt the butter slowly. Melt the chocolate using low heat. Season. Mix spices to improve taste. Season the dish with salt. Season the curry properly. Grate. Shred into very small pieces. Grate the cheese finely. Grate the carrots for salad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.